Okay, so today I'm doing a quick DIY upgrade to these builder grade French doors that we got at Lowe's. I got these damaged, so they only cost me like $400 and some. I fell in love with this door that was about $4,000, and really the only difference between the builder grade one and the one that was $4,000 was the fact that this one was primed white and it had nothing on the glass. So for a maybe like under $10, I'm going to try to transform it using this $6.99 like PVC material I got from Amazon. It's sticky and it's both black on the front and the back. So I'm just gonna add it to the glass and see if we can achieve the look for way less. Okay, so I marked the center of the glass and now I just peeled off a tiny spot of it. I'm not gonna peel off the whole thing yet because I'm gonna throw the level up, and then I'm gonna just push it over to where the level mark is rather than trying to follow a line. I just feel like that's easier. So basically, I'll just kind of shimmy it, if you will. Just do a little shimmy over. Okay. So see, I'm just gonna push it over and then push down when I'm at the level spot. Fix a couple little shimmy overs. So these things this is like easily a 5-minute project. It's so quick because these things you just need a razor blade to cut them to size. So I've just been putting it in and kind of bending it where I need to cut it. And then I just take a razor blade to it and it just cuts. I don't know. You like how uneven I just bent it? Like, hopefully this is the right spot. Sorry. Yeah, look at me cutting it way too big. This stuff pretty easily cuts with a razor blade or scissors. So whatever you got handy is fine. Gotta lift. This one's not like laying on it. Not sure if I need another hand here. So I can hold this, babe. I think it's tight enough on there. And this stuff is pretty forgiving. Like if you mess it up, you can unstick it and do it again. So it's not like the end all be all if you mess it up the first time. Okay. So now everything looks a bit more cohesive with the windows kind of matching the doors. Kind of like the curtains match the drape situation. It's always a better option, isn't it?